The process of developing an IFRS standard involves a number of stages. During the years, during the early stages of a project, the ISB will undertake consultation on the key issues. Which of the following is correct regarding the early stages of the process? In the early stages of the project, the IASB will issue a discussion paper to obtain views from the public. In the early stages of the project, the ISB will consult with the advisory committee and IFRS advisory council to seek out the key issues. That's right. I mean, seeking out the key issues is the first thing that ISP does. This will be the answer. I mean, which one? The second one. Hmm? Second one will be the answer. That's the keyword, like seeking out the key issues. Historical cost accounting remains in use because of its practical advantage, right? Which is not an advantage of historical cost accounting. Amounts of transactions are reliable and can be verified. It is an advantage. Amounts are reliable, we can verify it against the vouchers, bills, invoices. Amounts in the statement of financial position can be matched to amounts in the statement of cash flows. That's right. We can verify it with the cash flow. Hmm. It avoids the overstatement of profit during inflation. That's incorrect because it doesn't. You know, because what happens when you have inflation, you have rising prices, and when your prices are rising, hmm, the actual fair value of your assets goes down, right? But we are stating our asset at cost, means assets are overstated, depreciation is understated, expense is also understated, and hence profit is overstated, right? So third one is incorrect, right? Third one is incorrect. That will be the answer. Which of the following measurement basis may not be applied to liabilities? Yeah, fair value, historical cost, value in use. Yeah, value in use is not used for liabilities. Hmm? You will never see that value in use is used for liabilities. That's for assets. 15th. D acquired an item of plant on 1st October 2012 at a cost. They acquired it on this date. Cost is 500,000. It has a useful life of 5 years. Okay, and an estimated residual value of 10%. Okay, the date is 1st October 20. Of its historical cost or current cost as appropriate. Okay, as at 30th September 14. 30th September 14. That means they are talking about after 2 years, right? After 2 years, 30th September 14, the manufacturer of the plant still makes the same item of plant current price. Okay, current price is 600,000. Okay, what is the correct carrying amount on this date under historical cost and current cost? Okay, so historical and current. Okay, so historical, what will happen? We will take this cost and the residual value is 10%. So on the 90%, remaining 90%, we will charge the depreciation. We will charge the depreciation at the rate of which is 5 years. So we will Divide this by 5. So this is the depreciation for 1 year. Multiplied by 2, depreciation for 2 years. So its value will be how much? 500,000 minus 180. Okay. 320. Right. If you do it at current, uh, we will take this 600,000, but 10% is residual. So on the, sorry, 90% we will take 600,000 because 10% is residual value. On 540,000 we will charge the depreciation for 5 years, and for 2 years it will be this much, and from 600,000 minus the depreciation. This is what we are calculating depreciation for 2 years, because we have 2 years of data here, 1st October 12 to 30 September this thing, and this is the depreciation for 1 year. For 2 years it will be this much, and this is our depreciable base. On what amount we will charge the depreciation. Depreciable base, on this amount we will charge the depreciation, because 10% is this thing. On current we are taking 600,000 multiplied by this. So our answer should be 320 and 384. The second one, second option will be the second one will be the answer.